So I wanted to show you guys. I woke up and saw this, and I didn't have my glasses on, and I was like, "Is that snow?" And it's just the fog, kind of like hanging low over the mountain. Is I don't know, about 10 in the morning. It looks like we're actually going to have some sunshine today because we haven't had much lately. We will have some, and then it won't be, sunny for like 3 days. It's just clouds or fog or mist, whatever, hanging low over the mountain. It really is kind of a sight to see, though. I've never seen that before. Just the scope. So this is pretty much the view from the top of our driveway. But yeah, you just see the fog or whatever hanging really low. And it's beautiful. And also a little creepy and magical looking all at the same time. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little bit. I have a couple of different ideas for content, and I kind of ended up narrowing my idea to something smaller. And so some of the stuff I've already filmed, I'll just show in next week's video. But this week, I kind of just wanted to catch you guys up a little bit, and we're going to do some Saturday errands. We're going to go get bunnies and that kind of thing. But before we get into the video, I just kind of wanted to catch you guys up on life and things. It's a very sunny day, but yeah. We just had a lot of life happening. A lot of things have been going on. Part of the reason I haven't put any content up is because I completely broke the screen on my phone, and I'm using my phone as my camera right now. So that was part of the issue. We've had some family stuff come up, some concerns that we're trying to figure out how that's going to shake out. We just had money stress and just things, just life. The money stress is still there, but some things have shifted a bit. So I think I have a pretty solid offer on a job. I can't really tell you what it is because it's just not appropriate to do that, so I will not. But hopefully it will work out fine. I think I'm waiting for like a background check or something. It's just been, a hard time. I think I don't know if it. Yeah, but I know that we are not the only people in this kind of position. One of the reasons it's been complicated for me to find a job is because I've been looking for something part-time. The reason that is the case is because we are committed to homeschooling our kids. I've just kind of been learning that. I've kind of been feeling out, living in a small town and just how that works out for employment, for part-time employment. And that has not been fun. It's been stressful. But like I said, I have a couple of things to pursue now. And I think I have an offer that I believe will be fine. We'll see. But if that one doesn't work out, I do have some other things that I'm interested in pursuing. So it doesn't feel like a ton of weight on my shoulders like it has been feeling. Because I want to provide for my family and I do want to earn money. But again, my priority is to homeschool my kids and be there for my kids. And it's really home and family. And I've only been a stay-at-home mom for about 2 years and some change. So I've just never had that opportunity before. And homeschooling my girls has been challenging, but also wonderful and just an amazing opportunity. And I'm not willing to give up that opportunity. So today is Sunday. We went to Rural King yesterday, so on Saturday, and it was hopping. And Rural King is this store that we discovered since we moved to Virginia, and it's such a big part of our, experience with living in Virginia. And I thought when we went there, I wasn't even going to film anything. And I was like, you know what? I feel like I should film this. So I kind of did. It is such an interesting store. It's kind of like a combo of a general store, like a farm or agricultural store, Tractor Supply, Ace Hardware. There's like a little bit of a Target or a Walmart, there's just like all kinds of stuff. They have clothes. They have spices. They have stuff, obviously, for farming, Rural King, hence the name. They have, you can buy chickens and bunnies and all kinds of things there. They have free popcorn and coffee, which is like, to me, like such a Southern thing, but everybody goes in there and gets popcorn and coffee. It's just kind of a unique experience, the store. For us, it's kind of been a Virginia thing. So I thought it would be kind of fun to show you guys that. And some of the stuff that we get there and things like that. So.
All right, family. What do we go over here?
Want to go look at the animals and maybe the seeds?
The animals and the seeds?
Yep. Told you the seeds are buy one, get one.
She just loved it so much. She was cute with it.
We just don't know which six we want yet. Okay.
I just one of those,
Yes. And then yesterday we also went and picked up our rabbits. So my husband's been wanting rabbits. He recently made a rabbit cages. I say this kind of stuff like it's casual. I don't know that everybody is making their own rabbit cages. If you've made your own rabbit cages, please tell me. I don't know. He just makes stuff. I mean, my husband just he just makes stuff. So when we were first dating, this was pre-marriage, he made a joke, and this kind of gives you a sense of his personality, but he was like talking to me and he's like, MacGyver ain't got nothing on me, baby. And so I got a shirt made for him that said MacGyver ain't got nothing on me. And that kind of sums him up. He is very mechanical. He knows how to make things. He figures things out. He very much has an engineering brain. He didn't go to school to be an engineer. He should have. I don't know. He just has an engineering brain, definitely. And he just figures things out and figures out how to tweak things. He just has a lot of skills, like a lot of skills and a lot of different ways that he problem solves and thinks through things. And I find his brain to just be really interesting. I don't know. He's just an interesting dude. I mean, that was one of the many reasons that I wanted to start a YouTube channel, because he just is always doing interesting stuff. Granted, he does not want to be filmed, really. I don't know. He says he doesn't want to be filmed, and then if I film something with him in it that he's made, he has a lot to say. I've noticed he has a lot to say. He made rabbit cages because he wanted rabbit cages. Do other people make rabbit cages? I don't know, but he did. So I don't know if this is a normal thing. I don't know if I'm an extra handy husband. But yes, he made rabbit cages. He's been wanting rabbits for a while. And so he saw Craigslist ad, whatever. We went and bought 3 rabbits yesterday. We drove to North Carolina. It was a little bit like 2 hours ish to go get them. And it was kind of an interesting experience. The people that we bought them from had sort of interesting land and home and stuff. And rabbit cages. So what did you make them out of?
The top and all the sides is 1 by 2. There, and the bottom is 1/2 by 1. I notched out the corners 3 inches by 3 inches, and then folded here. Or formed the metal.
Yeah.
And then used these little guys.
So this is where their food's gonna go. Kind of, sort of.
So you load one in there like that.
Do you want to put it over here so I don't have to tell you?
Then you put it there and squeeze.
Ah, cool.
And you can squeeze again. We'll tighten it up.
So what are the dimensions of this? Because it's pretty big.
24 deep. Each cage is 3 foot, which makes 9 feet altogether, and this is 24 and 3. So.
And then they have separation between them. So there's like a panel here, and then there's another panel here that they can't really, there's holes between it, but you can't get in there. And it's a little food thing, okay? It looks like a tiny little rabbit mailbox. That's cute.
Like that, and then you feed it, and then any dust falls through.
So you had to cut it out and then do the little attachments? I assume like cut out the wire.
Well, I cut out the wire, and then I had to cut another piece that was bigger.
Ah,
so
got it.
The goal here is to push the door open. The goal is to hook it. So it'll hook here. There'll be a little hook attached to the door so it can come down and hook here to close it. Or if I need to get in there and do something, I'll hook it here so I don't have to hold it.
Yeah.
And then I can grab the rabbit. I can do whatever I need to do.
Shady Valley.
That hill is so big.
It's a mountain, baby. Oh my gosh, this is making our house look less and less rural every second. It is.
And I can tell you about their diet right now.
Oh.
Of course, we give everyone free choice water and free choice feed, except the bucks. We give them a cup of feed a day. With the does, we give free choice feed, and then every day we'll put a handful of hay in there. This was right, correct? 2 New Zealand females and the silver fox male?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Not going to come to me like a dog. Okay. Very soft. So the white ones are New Zealand rabbits, even though they're not from New Zealand. It's a thing. They're quite cute. Look at this one chilling over here. Look at relaxed. He's so relaxed. Yeah. They're just doing their bunny thing. I think this one's the most friendly. So these are the does. So the female rabbits are called does. And then this guy is a silver fox rabbit, and it is the buck. So the male rabbit. So I have a lot of other ideas for upcoming projects and upcoming content. So we're trying to figure that out.